Hello everybody, how are you? It's Miss Penny again with Marengo-Union Library, and it's DinoNovember, so we're here for a dino craft. Okay everybody, this is painting. Painting, so that means get a smock on or clothes that are okay to get dirty. Cover up your workspace, get your big person, let's get ready. Let's get ready for some fun. We are painting a dinosaur. So your kit is going to have two different kinds of dinosaurs to choose from, or paint them both. All right, and then you're gonna have blocks to use. You can use the blocks that are in your kit or blocks from home. So if you have blocks at home that maybe are different sizes or different shapes, go ahead and grab those, because it would be neat to see all the different kinds of shapes that you can make, designs that you can make on your dinosaur. So that's what we're doing. We're painting with blocks. How fun is that? You're also gonna have some paint in your kit. I'm gonna give you 3 colors. These are called primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. And I'm giving you these 3 colors because you can mix these to make any colors. So you can practice or just mix the colors and see what makes what. Like if you put red and blue together, what would that make? Yes, some of you knew. Good job. Well, that's what you get to do. You get to make your own colors with just these 3 colors, okay? And then stamp it on your dinosaur. So this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna take your 3 colors and you're gonna take whatever block you're planning on using. I'll use the littler one, okay? All right, so we're gonna take it and we're just gonna stamp it in, or put it in the paint. Cover that part, this part of the block, okay? You know, if you wanna use that side, it's totally up to you, because this is your craft. Then you're gonna take your dinosaur and you're just going to stamp right on it. Look at how exciting is that. Then you can just dip it again, and you could choose another color and just keep stamping. Now I'm going to use yellow. And I'm just going to keep going. That was a lot of yellow on that one. And if you go off your dinosaur, that's okay too, because we're going to be cutting out your dinosaurs. What? You even get to have some cutting skills going on here. Your big person can help you, or you can try and do it yourself. So just cover your dinosaur in all of your colors. And if you mix them, okay, if you mix your colors, use those colors too. Yes, so that's what you're doing right now. If everybody's working with me right now, okay? Mix your colors, stamp your colors. Mix your colors, stamp your colors. There we go. What colors did you guys make? I made a purple and I made an orange. Let's see if I can make a green. Might be too late. I might have used all my colors already. Might be too late. Let's see. Let's see if I can make a green. Can you make a green? Did anybody else make a green? I did not make a green. I tried. It didn't work. That's okay. All right. So after you're all finished stamping, you can do as much or as little stamping as you want, okay? But when you're all finished, then you, or if you need help from your big person, take your scissors and cut out your dinosaur. So we're just gonna cut it out on the black, the dark black lines, okay? It might be easier if you wait till it dries. I'm not waiting till it dries, because if I do, you guys are just gonna sit here watching me while we just wait for our dinosaur to dry. And that could get a little boring. Whoop. So we're just gonna cut it now. I'm gonna cut mine now. If you guys wanna wait till yours dries, it will be a lot easier. All right, okay. It's very, very messy. I'm definitely gonna have to wash my scissors. I don't mind. You guys, how are you doing on your painting? Are you still going? Maybe while you're waiting for one to dry, you could paint the other picture. So you could do both pictures. How about that? Oh, see, the wet paint made it stick to the scissors. All right, I got to my tail. Yep, tail. All right, I am almost finished cutting up my dinosaur. And if you guys, see, that's why we cover up everything. The surfaces, and, well, if you can cover up the floor, go for it. But the piece that fell actually had no paint on it. Safe. Safe. All right, so I cut that out. I have my dinosaur cut out, and if you looked in your kit, you saw, sorry, I'm getting a towel to wipe my fingers. You saw that there's another piece of paper. Why would there just be another piece of plain paper in there? Because we're gonna do this. We are going to glue your dinosaur right onto this paper. So we're gonna take this, and again, a lot easier if your dinosaur's dry, so then you're not touching all this wetness, okay? I'm gonna try to find all the non-paint spots. Let's tap it down. All right, so now he's on there, and it looks cool, right? I like it. But this is how I'm gonna make it look super cool. Wait 1 second. And always be super careful with your scissors, okay? Always be careful when you're holding them. So I'm gonna take my dinosaur now, and I'm just gonna cut it out just a little bit around the edges, because that just makes it look like a 3D dinosaur. Do you know what 3D is? Just kind of makes it look a little bit more real, makes it look like it's popping out. So I'm just gonna cut around. All right, yes, cutting around the dinosaur. And then, what's the last thing? Can anybody remember what's the last thing that Miss Penny usually says to do when we're making crafts? So close, so close. Some of you are thinking so hard. What's that? That's right. We put our name on here and the date. So once it's all cut out, that's what I want you to do. Put your name, or have your big person help you. Write your name and the date. So that way we know how old you were when you made this dinosaur. Because if any mommies and daddies are like Miss Penny, they keep these crafts for a long time. And then when you go to look at it again, you're like, when was that made again? So there it goes. So then when you do that, it looks like that. Isn't that so neat? Yes, I love it. That's the craft, guys. You can make one of them, you can make 2 of them. If your big person wants to make more copies, you could even make more than that. Or you could just make it on regular paper. You don't even have to make it on the dinosaur paper. You just have fun mixing your colors. See, 3 colors turned into that. How awesome. But mix your colors, use your blocks, paint. When you're done, yes, you guys are getting it now, clean up. What you actually could do is just hop in the bathtub with those blocks and get those cleaned up that way. If your big person says that's okay. If not, maybe just pretend like you're washing dishes and take it to the sink and wash the dishes that way. Wash the blocks that way. But either way, those blocks will clean right up. So wash the blocks up, throw away the garbage, put away the glue. Boom, you're done. Have fun, everybody. Have a lot of fun. And I will see you, hopefully, a little bit more this month. I don't know. Send me your pictures and have a great November. Bye.